Good morning, one and all. Brother here. Respected Sister Principal and our English Secretary Sister Sonia. We were recreating an after-match press conference which was held between India versus Australia after GABA test match. It was an exciting and historical match held between India versus Australia. There was many tremendous change comes back out and there. So here the introduction is Pushkar Daki as Indian captain, Ajinkya Rahane and Tahir Bora as Australian captain, team back, and Ashlesh Gulati and Abhishek Patidar as Australian journalist, me Kshitij Raikumar as Indian journalist, and Ravi Shastri sir as Indian coach. Thank you, sister.
First of all, many congratulations to Ravi Shastri and Mr. Ajinkya. What is your feeling about the captain of such a team?
It's been an honor to lead a country which has strong frontline bowlers and good batsmen. And we have to prepare for the test series for a month. And it's not easy. It's not a job for us to play in opposite conditions that both swings allowed here. So it's a difficult series throughout.
The series is with this you know it's creating on your own captaincy as well as team. It's how do you manage, how do you know about your future as captain?
So Ashlesh, your question is how means I look at my captaincy in the next games coming up. So see, these are the part of the games like losing or the winning. So we are looking forward to the next series and will definitely look upon the negatives of the team and what gone against us. So we will definitely look after that and will manage to play good in the next series as well.
Sister, I have a question for you. How did you determine the inning of Rishabh Pant in this match?
Oh, yeah, I am completely baffled with this innings. He played a tremendous inning there. In the conditions where the ball swings a lot. On the fifth day, in the test match, in the fifth day when he was playing, that was the last session when he was playing, and he is playing really well. You know, many people told him previously that he doesn't know the meaning between being carefree and being careless. And I think he is a very great guy. He is a good listener. What I tell him, he just catch it and do it in the match. And when he's playing in the last 6 to 8 hours, he built his inning. When he's playing like when he's playing a T20 match, he's hitting sixes and fours, continuously hitting boundaries. That is required because we have to win the match. And yeah, I'm completely for this. You know, I'm really admire his inning.
Thank you so much, sir.
And it's been a we have Rishabh Pant had done very well job and credit to all team members, not one player. The credit goes to all. Really admire all the players. Like Indian team has really performed very well in not only in the last test but in the whole series.
Thank you.
Mr. Ajinkya, what can you learn about implementing the Ravi Shastri? What do you learn about implementing?
Ravi Shastri is coaching throughout the decade and it's been a great leadership. It's been a great experience playing under his coaching and heads off to his coaching. That's what he is very good guy. You know, he listens everything and he always be calm. He's very serious. If he was on the field or off the field, he's always serious about the game. And yes, in this series he also played really well. And that 100 that gives motivation to the youngster because in this series many youngsters are playing. And if he is the captain after Virat left us, then he have to leave the series. Then he done very well. And that gives youngster motivation and actually by watching him, you know,
Shubman Gill, he also batted very well. So yeah, that's all.
And when he used to play with the Shastri, telling from the dressing room, do this, do that. Really, it's very good to see all of that.
And one thing I have to mention that is one line quotes are very encouraging. Once he mentioned that बाद में गई pitch, बाद में गई bowlers, you have to take only 20 wickets to win the match. Yeah, I got that. I don't know. You not confident. I got that. बाद में गई pitch, जो बाद में बस अपन 20 wicket लेने जीतना है. That's all because I think the youngsters when I spoke to them with an angerness. So I think in myself that they will take it very seriously that yeah they are coming first of all to Australia and playing against Australia and first of all taking coaching from me. So they don't know my character that much. So if I speak to them very angrily, then I think they will somewhat afraid from me and they will play.
Mr. Dev, how is it difficult for you to lose and draw in a series?
Yeah, first match we have won with a very big margin. We have won the first match, and yeah, guys were very confident about that. We will definitely win this series. But yeah, comebacks of India and also Virat Kohli has gone and really Ajinkya Rahane has lead the team and the teams containing youngsters. It's very difficult to captain the side which contain that much youngsters and but he has done his job very well. And for us, we have lost 2 matches and also a draw. So I just want to say that it's really a part of game and we will look after it really.
Mr. Rane, I have a question for you. Mr. Rane, what you are thinking about the what was your planning about the England Test series?
We are not looking forward to change the England series, but we already had some good team staff. They are preparing for us, and yeah, we are enjoying the victory. That's the important. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Scourgings, how was the pitch playing for you on the last day of the match? Is it so crucial?
2 minutes.
It's your child. I didn't know.
My wife.
I think she's busy with that.
I think so.
So you were telling about the pitch, right?
About the pitch, what was it?
So it's not easy to play on the pitch of the 5th day because you have to see the lots of footmarks there and the ball is spinning too much on the 5th day. And the front line bowlers of the Australia are very good and they have strong bowling line. So the swing you saw in the test match was phenomenal, and the line they hit was perfect to get a wicket. So it's very difficult to bat on the 5th day, and credit to them, they bowled really well. But our boys go through them and won the series.
Well, Ajinkya, without frontline bowler, how it is difficult due to trust in youngest?
Well, youngsters have been preparing for the series before 2 months, and in the IPL they have played with the big players like Mitchell Starc, Johnny Bairstow and Ian Morgan. They have played with legendary players, so they got the experience there. And the benefit of the IPL is that the youngsters get the chance to play with the legendary players, to get the experience, to get the exposure they need the exposure. So the IPL play a very important role in encouraging the youngsters.
Yeah, India's like domestic network is very strong because coming from the country like very big population India have, and from that population players come up and perform here. So means it's very big thing. Like in that much player you are coming up and performing. So really credits to you.
Team, I have a question for you. If you would not be a captain, then what you wish to be? If you would not to be a cricketer, then what you wish to be?
Oh, let me think about that. If I would not be a cricketer, then I think I would prefer delivery boy job. Because like wandering around and meeting different kinds of people, that I think gives immense pleasure to me.
Nice.
Mr. Ajinda, tomorrow is Virat's birthday. So, what do you want to say about it?
What do you usually tell somebody, say, his answers? So I think usually we say happy birthday or
It's just common.
that's it.
You have to do some special thing or not?
No, nothing. Just saying happy birthday, wishing them.
It means you don't have a strong connection with him.
No. It's about eye-to-eye coordination, and the main thing is that the player knows each and every player from the last 10 years. From the last 10 years. So nothing to do special birthday. It's really important to focus on the cricket and not on the celebration. If you have to celebrate, right?
Means it means
Test series like that, you should celebrate something.
We have to celebrate, but we are
Looking forward, right?
Yeah, we are looking forward to the next series because this is not the ending. This is the start. This is the start of India.
So let's see you in ICC Champions, ICC Test Championship final.
Yeah, okay. And we are going to there, but the probability of your team having that it's
So I
don't think that you have to talk about it.
It totally depends on you guys. Because how you play against England. If like England won one or two matches, then only we will qualify. So what do you want, like New Zealand in the finals or Australia in the finals, who you just defeated in their country only. So what do you want from them?
Means I don't want anything. Just first of all, I wanted we be there. You know, I don't wanted any other country to be there. I just wanted first of all.
It's obvious.
We be there. So, and if it is you are talking about the England series, then we have the motivation that we went in the Australia, so we will also win in England.
Oh, okay. So we are also going to South Africa, you know, and if we won 3 out of 3 games, then really there will be chances of us also.
Yeah, you're right.
Let me state that we want a slight revenge from the New Zealand, so we want the New Zealand side in the Test Championship. Okay, that was one day, you know, that was one test, you know.
But we can take revenge in any format. The revenge doesn't have
Any format, the players are different. There MS Dhoni and different players, like they are retired now, and now what revenge?
It's not about MS. MS is retired, so he's a legend. So we can take revenge for him. You know.
Oh, okay.
And we have newborn MS Dhoni, that is Rishabh Pant.
Oh, okay.
And
No, you know. I think you know. No,
So he just smashed the last season. Last season. You know,
Mahli is a legend, you know, and you can't
He is very far from them, but I am telling that you should
We
be
need Mahli. Okay, let me continue.
Team, I have a question for you.
Yeah.
Is the bag of captaincy plus wicket keeping and batting, have you ever bearing it? And also Adam Gilchrist suggested in commentary that it might be too much difficult for you at a time.
Yeah, you know, the pressure of captaincy plus wicket keeping, it kind of overbearing sometimes. But as you play the international games and experience come up on your side, then it's not very difficult. At initial stages, maybe it, but betting is like different from wicket keeping, and like for captain to be a wicket keeper, so like it's very easy for him to set the fielding lineup, because from there he could just see what line and lengths the bowlers are bowling up, and also it's really like helps me in deciding the bowling lineup as well.
Thank you, sir.
So there were some rumors that you retired after test. It is true. Is it true?
So okay, let's have fun together. Come. So, do you have any son who play the role of the wicketkeeper and the batsman? Any brother? Brother, sir? Friend? Any relationship? Neighborhood? No. So, as you have seen me in the last series, my fitness and running between the wickets. So, do you think that I shall play for them?
Yes.
So that's it, your answer? Oh, that was a very good joke. I think so.
But you can't create a new MS Dhoni. MS Dhoni is a legend, and everywhere you can't find it. And the talent is unique. That all can come from India.
So I have a question for you. It's difficult to manage a team with 2-3 debutants. Can you explain this?
It's not an easy job to do, but the youngsters that have played the domestic, Ranji trophies, Saib Mushtaq Ali, IPL, so they got the experience and they executed well in the series. They executed the playing they made. So that's all for me.
Thank you, sir.
So sir, what is the difference between you and Virat Kohli? Is any major difference between you?
Is there? Things. That's the bank balance. That's the bank balance.
Super answer.
Yes, it is a major difference.
And I can't overcome through it.
Mr. Shastri, Washington Sundar and Shubman Gill play very well in series. Say some few words for both of them.
Yeah, first of all, I'm very happy for both of them. First of all, look at to Shubman Gill. He batted very well throughout whole series. Playing first test match in Australia, such a condition, and scoring. I think he has scored some 40 or 45 runs. But he got out late. That much he might not played, but with that 91 inning in his debut series, he is scoring that much where the ball swings a lot and given us 1-2 match he has won. So yeah, and if we look to then Washington Sundar, I know from the test match when he debuted, he bowled. On that match also he took 2-3 wickets and continuously taking wickets. But when it comes to batting, when the team is in a bad situation, he came there and batted well, about 60 to 62 runs in his scores, and that partnership with Shardul Thakur is tremendously well. So I am very happy for both of them, and I believe that their game will improve day by day, match by match. And it's not a one play effort, it's a team effort that it can through and we want to see.
It's not expected from Washington Sundar, and even Shardul Thakur, he's a bowler and
Yeah,
really well.
I also not expected that. And I also not expected that the performance with Shubman. I was thinking that this is first series, so he cannot perform that much well. But yeah, he performed very well. After that inning, Shardul Thakur was asking me to promote him at the opener side.
Oh my God. maybe if we will improve, then we can. Right. That's a nice. Yeah.
Team, I have another question for you. Why did you not give ball to the Chris Green?
So that was the team planning and what? That is okay. So that was like team planning, and we were looking to give ball to the mainly frontline bowlers because they have performed very well. Like Pat Cummins is really doing well in the whole series, not only one or two matches. So like Chris Green, he was injured also in the last innings. He was somehow injured in his batting, and yeah, that's all the reason I have.
Okay, sir.
Mr. Ravi Shastri, it is right to give the title the world to Pujara. It is means to him.
He played very well in the last test, as we all know. That the pitch is very bouncy, and the last day it is very difficult to bat. And the Pat Cummins is continuously is giving bouncers to him, and then he survived. He played very well, and
That is the plan, really.
as we know, Australians do this have done this many times, and he survived there. But the title is already given to the legend Rahul Dravid. So I think he is not that much far, but he has now he has to do something more with his career. Then he might get the title.
Means he want to practice for this title.
Not that practice. He wants to score some. He has to get more big achievements. He has to prove himself continuously, regularly. Means he is proving himself. He is playing well. But yeah, he has to do something more because we all know Rahul Dravid. He has scored that much runs. He has not scored that much run. And that I think the title, the ball cannot be given to him because Rahul Dravid already has the title. I think we can give him a new title. As every batsman today it is a trend to give title to anyone. Means the Virat Kohli is getting run machine, Rohit Sharma, everyone is getting, so we can give him also the title, but not the ball. Because I also played with Rahul. I know Rahul, and he is a player like him. I think never a player can bowl like Rahul.
He is from another constellation, so you can't compare the legend players with the new players. So it's just.
Means they are experienced and he is not experienced.
No, not experienced. He will also play matches, and he will also get the experience. But the condition at that time, the pitches that time, and the pitches today are very different. So we can't compare the players. If you ask to Pujara also, that he will also tell that I can't be compared to the legend Rahul Dravid. That's it.
The era in India playing is the different era, and the era that the Rahul Dravid played was the different. So you can't compare two different players from the two different eras and two different conditions. So some are comparing you also because like Rahul Dravid's overseas record was very good. Like yours also, like you scored 100 in Lords, and I think every ground of Australia you have scored. This is like the third or fourth series. I think this is a few in Australia. Right. But cricket is not a batsman game or a particular player game. It's a team game, so you have to consider all the team members, and that's all we want in the cricket. We need a team effort to win the game.
Sir, team, I have a question for you. You are not thinking that you declare team so that you don't declare the team, then it will be different for the game. You will win the match or match will be draw. You don't think about that.
So yeah, this was one of the disappointing factors in which we could have scored more runs and then have declared the innings, or should have wait for the all out. But the circumstances are like that only. We have we have the score which we can defend. But yeah, I can credit goes to the Indian batsman because done exceptionally good in the last day because it's really difficult to bat on the day 5 pitch because the rough and the bounce we are getting the spin that's really good. Exceptional.
Thank you, sir.
And you have to consider one thing that cricket is not a script. You can't see like a movie or you can't consider like a movie that you will have a hero first, then you have a villain, then the hero will cricket is not scripted. You know, we don't know what is going to happen on the next ball. It can be a six, it can be out, it can be anything.
Sir, I have a question for you also. Can you talk about the behind the conversation in staff or with Ajay sir before the match or?
Yeah, means we have conversation in the dressing rooms and because in this situation with the COVID time, when the players are coming 4 to 5 months, they are having quarantine, then they are coming to play there. So they are not in that much practice, and so the decisions are to make the decisions is difficult. So we are continuously talking about that, and also the other teammates we are taking and talking with each other and taking decisions. And yeah, especially in the bowling, we have to talk a lot about the giving in the lunch when he is coming in a team. I am waiting for him that when will he come, then I will tell him that yeah, you should do that next week. Then it will be good for them. And then he played it next week and rest all you know.
Thank you, sir.
And India, sir, it's very obvious that playing in overseas condition is very challenges for the subcontinent batsmen. How do you manage that to play very well in series?
It's all about development, it's all about your attitude, your practice, and it's not overnight. It comes in 5, 6, 7, 8 years. So you can't take it as a overnight success. So one thing I have to state that our coach Ravi Shastri and MS Dhoni played a very important role in my cricketing career. So credit to them. That's not about credit. You know, I just told him that you have to do like this, you have to change this, you have to, you know. But the whole credit goes to only him because I have not gone there on the field and played. He only played and he scored runs. So I think credit goes to him. I just explaining the things that as a coach, I just told him to change, but the credit goes to him.
Sir, wishing you struggling to say like what we want to ask you.
Yes, I want to ask you that what you do in a critical situation, how you overcome from this situation, how you tackle it, how you manage your players, Mr. Ravi Shastri.
What can you repeat the question?
I just saying that in a critical situation in the cricket, that players are not performing good, their performance decreases, then how you tackle it?
You know, it not happen every time because there are 1 or 2 players always are involved. Means there is not any condition like this that the whole players are not playing. You know, we have bad times because there is parts of game. Sometimes we have bad day, sometimes we have good day. You know, but in test, looking back to 2-3 years, you know, we are playing really well in the test match. Just in India also and in the overseas also out we are playing really well. So there are not many conditions like this. I have to tackle the players. But yeah, when it comes to them, then I have to tell them the mistakes because I am not playing. I am watching from outside. So I take everything that this player has done mistake there. So I have to tell him. And sometimes they also get means if I told them very much, then they got angry also. But yeah, I have to tackle them because I am the coach. That's my job.
And from your opinion, who is the best player in the cricket? That this is the best time.
This is the most
First of all, I am the best.
Not anything, not about the best. You know, every player is very good at his own place. If he send MS on the opening, so he can't be might perform that much well. But MS at 7-6, anyone, any opener can come there and don't play, doesn't play that like that. He is not able to play that much. So every player is his place, every player has his number. That every player is going number 4, number 5, first down set. Every bowler is bowling first. So every player is best at his own place. I can't give any title to a player that he is the best.
And playing in overseas condition has been a challenge throughout the decade. And like you have to practice, for a long month, for 3 months to play the series in Australia, and it's been a challenge. So the all credit goes to Mr. Ravi Shastri. He's preparing the new youngsters, our legend players. So all thanks to him.
Anything not like thanks, it's my job. I have to do it, and I also played it, so I just learned that the means.
The bounce on the last day is too much. How your bowlers manage to control length and height on that day?
So, controlling the line length. I think the fifth day pitch is a major good for the bowling team, and it's been struggle for batting team. But yeah, sometimes if the pitch has much bounce, it's been really difficult to control sometimes. But yeah, again credit goes to Pat Cummins, Mitchell Stark, and Nathan Ryan. They bowled very well. And especially Nathan Ryan, like 100 matches he has played with, that was 100 match he's playing in his career. So he's been really good because spinner in the Australian, England, this kind of condition, it's really difficult for them, like spinner, because it's favorable condition for the swing bowlers. So yeah, credit goes to them also, and also the Indian players, because they tackled the bowling lineup. I think Australia has the major bowling lineup in the whole world, ranking bowlers Australia. So yeah, it's part of the game.
Mr. Rane, I have a question for you. How do you assist such a hard and irritating slugging?
I think it's a part of game, and it is very necessary to play the cricket game in its order. So it's a part of game. And when it is upset, then you can't play at your full potential. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Adinkya? Mr. Adinkya?
Right.
If captaincy for long time come in your side, then what would be your reaction?
Well, I'm not looking for it. Virat is doing a good job at captaincy, and he's a good batsman as well. So I'm looking forward to do my job well, and try to do my that's what try to do. Right. Okay, so thank you. That was our press conference. So I think you will like it.